Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change quality in Netflix. Let's start! So first things first, make sure you are successfully logged into your Netflix account or Netflix app. So right now, I'm actually using mobile version for Netflix. Please note that depends on your plan. You can actually access Netflix in your, of course, in your TV, on your tablet, and you could also do this in your desktop. In the event that you're gonna be looking for, how to change quality, like we do have like a help center that you could, go when you go to desktop and then just, search on just click on help center. Once you click on the account and then you just type in if you're gonna, change quality, it would actually lead you to that page wherein for you to change quality. Now, this is how you're gonna do this if you're gonna be using a mobile version or mobile phone. What you need to do is if you're successfully logged in, you are on the main page of your Netflix app, and then just upper right of the page, just click on your account, your account icon, whatever profile that you are in. And once you click on that, you click on app settings, which is just, below my list. Once you're there, there's an option that says video quality. So that's actually just below downloads. So you will be able to click on that one. So let's go there. So I'll tap that. And then you have options here to choose video quality if you want to have standard or higher. So standard is basically, it's default. Like you can download faster and obviously you can use less storage because in terms of standard, it's not, well, it's still like high quality, but not considered like 4K or something, but just the default. And then you have higher quality. So this would be, for better quality videos. You could also choose this one. So if you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.